what you're doing is you're teaching everyone around you that it's okay to say yes, and it's also okay to say no. Setting boundaries is so important for everyone's health. It's important for you because it's important to know what you can't do, what you do and don't want to do. And it's important that you honor that. It's even important for your family to see you setting boundaries, because what you're doing is you're teaching everyone around you that it's okay to say yes, and it's also okay to say no. Most folks find it hard to set boundaries, but I've got one surefire tip for you that will make it a little bit easier for you to set that boundary and really stick with it. I call it the take 5. So what I want you to do, the next time someone asks you something and you don't really know whether you should say yes or say no, take 5 minutes. Take 5 minutes away. Say, hey, hang on for a second. Before I respond, let me take 5 minutes and look at my calendar. This is going to give you some buying time where you can really look at what's going on in your life, what's going on in your schedule, what you already have on your plate, and what you actually have room for. Literally take those 5 minutes before you give an answer. That 5 minutes of time is going to give you the opportunity to really figure out if this is something you really want to do or something you want no parts of. So take 5 and you'll be okay.